In this workflow, we are going to do a little bit, going to get a little advanced here with some apt script to allow us to update a product in Shopify from Google Sheets immediately when it's edited. We have some existing templates that can trigger off of a new product created for Google Sheets. But if somebody's updating an existing row, this would be the way to pull that in. Okay, so this can allow you to manage all your products in Google Sheets. All right, we have a little bit of code that we're gonna deal with here, but you're just gonna have to copy and paste it. So we clicked Tools or Extensions App Script from there, and then just highlight this all, paste it in. And the only thing you got to modify is you're gonna have to grab a webhook URL. So this is the workflow that you can install. Okay, so you can download that workflow here. And then when you do that, you're going to get a URL here for the webhook. So that's going into your account there. So you just paste that in and then save. All right. And then we have to set up a trigger so that every time this is edited, every time the row is edited, so you're going to do on edit. And then you can leave that there from spreadsheet. And then event type, we want that to be on edit. Hit save. And if you have a pop-up blocker here, it's going to prompt you for this. You can either hit always allow pop-ups or just click on that guy, authenticate that, and then try that again. And let's go ahead and rename this, send to MESA. All right, now the executions, this is going to show you a log every time that runs. And so we're going to change the title here. Update it again, and we should see over here, there we go, see that reflected. And then sometimes it takes a second for the logs to show up in here. There we go. So this is the payload that we're sending over, and then this is the response from the webhook. Now the webhook is actually not enabled, so if you look in the activity log, it's going to say skipped. So once this is enabled, let's change this yet again, and again, we're going to see that trigger show up in Sheets, and then we should see that show up in the activity log. We should see that running and updating the product. So let's go over here, refresh this page, and see if that all worked. There we go. So that worked. So in this case, it's a pretty simple set of fields that we're updating in the trigger, but you can modify that to update the product to your heart's content. So yeah, that's how it works. As always, you can find this on the automation demos section of the site, and feel free to reach out if you need any help.